In this lecture, we are going to draw this sketch. First, active isometric drafting and make sure ortho is on. Select line. Select first point. Change plane to isoplane left by pressing F5 key from keyboard. Now give length of 60 mm and enter. Now change plane to isoplane top by pressing F5 key. Give length of 50 mm, enter. Again change plane to isoplane right by pressing F5 key. Give length of 55 mm, enter. Again change plane, give length of 60 mm. Change to top plane, give length of 50 mm. Give length of 15 mm. Give length of 35 mm. Give length of 45 mm. Give length 15 mm. Enter, escape. Press enter to repeat line command. Select this point. Draw a line of 10 mm. Change the plane. Draw a line of 25 mm. Escape. Now draw from this point 15 mm, 20 mm. Close to this point. Escape. Now close these 2 points. Draw a line of 15 mm. Change plane. Close to this point. Draw a line of 20 mm and close to this point. Draw a line of 20 mm. Change the plane. Draw a line of 25 mm, 15 mm, close to this point. Change the plane 25 mm, close to this point. Change the plane 15 mm, close to this point. Change the plane 25 mm, close to this point. Now close these 2 points. So this is our final sketch.